Since 1987, the High Plains Regional Climate Center at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln's East Campus has been serving the agricultural communities in the High Plains region and throughout the United States. In 2023, we are continuing this tradition of providing climate data services to agriculture by releasing our latest web application, CliGrow. CliGrow is a growing degree day based crop maturity estimation tool for any location in the lower 48 states, powered by the Applied Climate Information System, or ACIS. Simply click your field's location and enter your planting information. Then, using powerful ACIS technology, see an estimate of how your field is progressing towards a targeted maturity point compared to previous years. CliGrow is compatible with 10 different crop types, with more on the way. Degree day estimations are based on temperature, and it's important to note that there can be many different variables affecting your crop's growth in addition to degree days. To get the best results from this tool, be sure to follow our advice on using a previous year's planting as a benchmark. Using CliGrow is easy. Simply go to the URL provided in the video description or go to our website at hprcc.unl.edu and navigate to CliGrow. Once CliGrow is open, you will see the location selection window. Find your field and click to select the location. Then, click the Select Location button to close the location selection window. Next, we need to enter our planting information. Start by selecting the plant date for your crop. Then select your crop from one of the 10 types provided. We are going to leave these crop maturity settings blank for now. Select the freezing temperature you are most concerned about. Then, click Start Analysis to start creating the graph. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Now you can see the estimated growing degree day accumulation for your crop type. The green line shows the current year's accumulation, while the pink line shows the average accumulation based on the data from 1991 to 2020. The blue bars show when the last and first freezes occurred in the past years at the freezing temperature you selected. CliGrow's best feature is estimating a maturity point, so let's take a look at how to do that. First, in my example, I know that the last time I planted soybeans in my field was on April 10th, 2018. So I'm going to select that plant date. Once again, I'm going to leave the maturity settings blank and click Start Analysis. Once the graph is created, I'm going to find the 2018 value on the day my soybeans matured. In my case, they matured on September 18th, which was 3,402 degrees. Now, I entered this year's plant date, and in the maturity GDDs box, I entered 3,402. I'm also curious how this year is progressing compared to 2018, so I'm going to enter 2018 into the comparison year box. This time, after I click Start Analysis, I get a graph with a couple of new items. The yellow line shows the 2018 values, but there is now a vertical yellow band on the graph too. This shows the range of dates when the crop is estimated to have matured in the past, based on the GDD value entered for maturity. In this case, I can see that the earliest my crop matured was on September 17th in 2018, and the latest was November 4th in 1999. Before the 2024 growing season, we would like to provide updates to CliGrow including new crop types, GDD accumulation projections, and more. We hope you'll enjoy using CliGrow and invite you to contact us with any questions, comments, concerns, or general feedback you have. You can email us at hprcc@unl.edu or call our office at 402-472-6706.